Use your phone to detect when you are sleeping while on sleep mode. In Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra, open settings, swipe the notification panel, and then tap settings icon, select modes and routines, and then tap modes. Next, tap sleep, select your uh, schedule, sleeping schedule, and then on sleeping, tap switch until gray. If you are wearing your watch is used to detect when you are sleeping. If you are not wearing your watch, your phone is used instead. Tap done to set. Okay, thank you for watching. Have a nice day.